Hello, myself and whoever sees this video. This is my journey. I'm starting to learn programming language by myself within a 30 day. I will be learning Python language, Python programming language. Well, Python is the easiest one. Mostly is the easiest one to start with, so I will take over Python within a month to try. I don't know if that's possible or not. I'm not sure. Maybe some people surely they can. Some people like me who is absolute beginner, I'm not sure, but I will try my best and I will challenge 30 days to learn Python. So I'm absolute beginner. Basic, I will start from the basic, and the basics there is a lot of things to cover up, like variables, data types, functions, loop, while loop, for loops, functions. There are a lot to do it. Then I will go to the second stage, which is intermediate. After basic, you have to go to the intermediate. Then the third stage, which is advanced. After that, maybe after you go to the advanced one, then you have to learn a lot, but I'm not sure if I can cover that all within 1 month. But I will try my best, and I will post here every day whatever I learn. So stick with me till to the end. I'm not sure if some people will see or not, but if you saw it and you're also the beginner, maybe you can carry me up. You can give to me some lift. Anyway, that I appreciate it. So thank you so much, myself and whoever sees this video. See you tomorrow.